Hey everybody, Jared with J Gross Equipment, Bobcat of Aberdeen in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Thanks for joining us for another episode. Today we're going to talk about a topic that we get a lot of questions on, we get a lot of complaints on, and that is track loader air filters. So it's not specific to Bobcat. We work on all brands, and the reason track loaders have a tendency to have dirty air filters, especially compared to a skid steer. So you'll have customers that owned a wheeled skid steer, they now own a track machine, and they say, hey, my wheeled machine, I would only put air filters in it so many hours or once a year. And the reason for that is a skid steer has 4 tires, 4 footprints about that big, versus a track machine has, anywhere from, let's say, 5 to 8 feet of track by anywhere from 12, 15, 18 inches, even up to 20-inch wide tracks. So that additional surface area on the ground is naturally going to kick up more debris, more dust, create a bigger whirlwind, so to speak, around that machine. And at that point, regardless of the brand, it has a cooling system, and the cooling system's job is to draw air into the machine. While it's drawing air in, it's going to draw dirt in, dust, debris, whatever it is you're kicking up on your job site or farm. So one of those concerns is dirty air filters. Bobcat has multiple options, whether it's M series or R series. On the M series, you can put a pre-cleaner kit on them. Today we're looking at an R series. This is a really popular machine for us and a lot of Bobcat dealers. This is a T76. And what we're going to talk about is a aspiration kit. So this aspiration kit is basically a additional option you can add on to this machine. And what it's going to do is this is a dirty air filter, great example. You can see the back of this machine's kind of washed down with dust and dirt, as we were talking about. This is your air cleaner housing, and how these are designed. There's a couple different terms for this. The most common term we hear is valve or evacuator valve. So this air cleaner housing draws air in from a larger intake. And this valve is supposed to, basically let excessive air and dust out. What can happen is that'll get dust built up in it. It'll get moisture in it from snow, rain, humidity. That dust will turn into kind of like a muck. And then this won't breathe like it should. Then what happens is you'll start to see, real dirty air filters. We've had other videos on this. Now, the idea behind this aspiration kit's pretty simple, but it's pretty nice and it's pretty effective. It takes an electric fan, a housing, and a bracket and a few other parts. Now, their idea behind this is this fan, there's a bracket in here too, but just to keep it simple, this fan and this housing mount down here. So it's going to be tucked in a little bit cleaner. I'm holding it up here just for ease and quickness, but it mounts in that tower there. There's going to be a hose that goes from this valve that'll get removed, hooks to that lid, hooks to this. Now what that's going to do is this electric fan is going to assist this, which will be removed, pulling that dust out of that air cleaner housing. You're still going to get the same amount of dust on your job sites, on your farm, getting drawn into these machines. But what this will do is it'll help pull that dust and debris faster through that housing, through this opening, through this fan, and it kicks it back into this tower and kind of aspirates it out that tower. The machine's still going to get the same, if not more, airflow, but it's going to help pull some of that debris out. We do carry these here in stock. They're not available for every machine. If you call us with your serial number for your R series, we can help you with that. And then if you jump into the M series, there's going to be some different options, pre-cleaners, the more traditional pre-cleaners that go up on top of the hoods for certain M series. But we're always willing to help. Let us know if there's any particular concerns, options, or issues that you'd like to learn about. We'll do a video on them. We'll directly message you, whatever the case may be. And we look forward to helping you. Thanks for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos. And we'll keep doing the content for you. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.